In this video, I'll be sharing with you the key factors that will increase your chances for successful IVF. I'll be sharing with you some tips and strategy and key factors when deciding to go through IVF. Hey everyone, it's Selina here, where I would like to help you in your IVF journey, and as we go along, you may also be improving your fertility, and with that, hopefully you may not be needing IVF in the end. Find a clinic. It takes time and patience to select a successful IVF center. When you screen potential IVF clinics, ask questions. Research the clinics in your area. Compare and do research based on different qualities such as are the doctors certified? Other clinics use accredited labs? What types of amenities and services are offered to patients? Have they worked with women with a particular health and condition? What's your success rate? Are you comfortable with your doctor? Age. Don't wait until it's too late. Age affects fertility. In order to use your own eggs, you need to start early. It's a very important successful factor to consider. Younger women have higher success rate, and older women may have fewer eggs and lower quality of eggs, but that doesn't mean you couldn't do it. It means you have to work harder in order to improve your health for IVF. We have eggs since we are born. We started our period perhaps around 10 years old, with a lifespan perhaps 80 years old. So if you are trying babies around 30 years old, you may have used 30% of your eggs. It's also important to know that fertility treatments, endometriosis, fibroid or cyst surgery may reduce the eggs in your bank. So make sure you achieve the result you want as soon as possible and don't waste any of your time and eggs. Egg killers for weeks that you're trying to build your body for IVF. Shower your eggs with a lot of nutrient-rich diet. When I was preparing for this journey, I have seen doctors and consultants, and I have stick to my diet of no spicy, no fried food, no cold drinks, no raw, no red meat, no smoking, no alcoholic drinks, as they are considered egg killers. I was told to only eat warm and antioxidant food. I mean, when you have a newborn baby, you don't feed food puree to your baby when they are 3 months old, right? Because it's not the right thing to do. You will feed the right food to your baby, so apply the same method to yourself. And no smoking and drinking, as they can damage the DNA of the eggs and also the sperms. How strong is your partner's sperm? If the sperm is not strong enough, may result in weak embryos. Having kids means having DNA half of you and half of your husband. So it's equally important for men to produce good sperms, even though most of the work is on you to carry the pregnancy until the delivery of a healthy baby. Weight issues. And if you are overweight, if your blood test shows that you need to lose some weight in order to ovulate and carry a pregnancy, you should, because you may have risk of miscarriage, stillbirth or high blood pressure, even if you get pregnant. And if you are too slim, the doctor may also advise you to gain some weight in order to have regular periods and increase your level of estrogen to protect your health and the health of a baby, because you may risk having a premature baby or a low weight baby. Stress. If you are stressed, you are actually damaging your eggs and your reproductive system will be closed down. If you see, some women who are often stressed out may have fertility issues because they are often too caught up in things in life and too stressed in their daily life. Now, if you are always in this mode, you are bringing damage to your babies or the chances of ever get pregnant. I remember I got these questions during the interview. Can you manage stress? I don't really understand this at that time, but I see it very differently now. Meditation is my only way now. In general, you don't wait until you are pregnant then only to take care of your health. You need to start it right now by making sure you are doing all the right things so that your body and your womb will be ready for them. Imagine the womb is like a house to your babies. You make sure your house is clean, you have endless supply of food for them, and it's warm and cozy. All the other illnesses like hydrosalpinx and endometriosis are all taken care of before the procedure so that your future baby will be able to grow well. Now, if you're interested to find out about why preparation is important for IVF, then wait for my video out next, where I run through all the reasons why you need to prepare before starting your IVF journey. And I'll see you soon. Hope you'll be successful in starting your family. Send you lots of love to you and your future babies. Thank you. So if you like my video today, please click like or comment and subscribe to my channel.